Hey, if your JBL Tune 450 or 460 keep disconnecting from your device, I can recommend you to fix this by performing the hard reset. And to do this, first of all, we have to unpair our headphones from our device. So click on the settings icon when you are at the boot settings, then tap on disconnect and then forget. Click to forget device to confirm, and now also power off Bluetooth on your phone. Next, you have to grab your headphones, and now be sure that you located the power button and click and hold it until this indicator turns off. Now click and hold it one more time to enter for the pairing mode. So now we have to hold this power button until indicator starts flashing blue. There we go. Now we can release, and then we have to locate the power buttons, the volume buttons, the volume down button and the volume up button. And now just click and hold on these two buttons until this indicator turns white. So click and hold. There we go. Now you can release and then power off your headphones by holding the power button. Right now we can also subscribe to my channel, so you will help me to grow it. And now when your headphones are turned off, you have to click and hold this power button and enter for the pairing mode after the reset. So there we go. Now on your phone you just have to power on the Bluetooth back, then click to pair new device. And from this available devices list, you will have to find your JBL Tune 450, 460 and click to pair. And now you can tell me if it works in your case. So one more time, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.